Oh my God, there's spiders. You're so close to the water.
It's gonna be the landing.
We landed.
Face out. What do you think? Which one? Do you like when the plane lands or the plane goes up? You like it when it goes up?
Gentlemen, Spirit Airlines would like to welcome you to Orlando. For the local time, it's 6:19 p.m. We are about 30 minutes early. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten gate 8
What do you think?
for your flight and number information.
Your flight.
Check baggage can be claimed.
You like it?
Airline baggage claim area will be available until the end of the
How was your experience flying?
To better assist you, we invite you to visit our
We are here